When it comes to improving your home in New Orleans, investing in new windows is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. But how those windows are installed can make or break the value of that investment. While it may be tempting to go the DIY route or hire the cheapest contractor available, opting for professional window installation offers a range of long-term benefits, especially in a unique climate like New Orleans. Here's a look at why professional installation is the way to go. Perfect fit for maximum efficiency. New Orleans homes come in all shapes and sizes, from classic Creole cottages to contemporary townhouses. Each has its own window sizing quirks, and that's where professional installers shine. They take precise measurements and tailor the window fit to your exact space. This tight fit is essential in a city with humid summers, hurricane threats, and occasional cold snaps. Improperly fitted windows can cause air leaks, water infiltration, and increased energy bills. Pros make sure the seal is snug and secure, giving you energy efficiency and peace of mind. Enhanced energy savings year-round. New Orleans residents know the cost of cooling a home in the summer heat. Professionally installed windows, especially energy-efficient models like double-pane or low-E-coated glass, can dramatically reduce your energy consumption. When windows are installed with precision, there's less heat entering during summer and less warmth escaping during the rare winter chill. That translates into lower monthly bills and a smaller carbon footprint, something every environmentally conscious homeowner can appreciate. Warranty protection. You can rely on. Most reputable window brands offer warranties, but did you know those warranties can be voided by improper installation? If you go with an amateur installer or do it yourself, you may lose out on long-term coverage for manufacturing defects or performance issues. Professional installers are certified and often backed by both the window manufacturer and their own workmanship warranties. This dual protection ensures you're covered in case something goes wrong later down the road. Hurricane-ready reinforcement. In New Orleans, hurricane preparedness is a fact of life. Professional window installers understand local building codes and will ensure your windows are compliant with storm safety regulations. Many even specialize in impact-resistant glass or reinforced frames that offer superior protection during high winds and flying debris. Whether you're upgrading to hurricane windows or reinforcing existing openings, a professional will know exactly what your home needs to stay secure. Boosted curb appeal and property value. Windows aren't just functional, they're also a key part of your home's appearance. A sloppy or uneven installation can detract from your home's curb appeal, while a professional job will enhance it. Aesthetically pleasing, well-aligned windows can also raise your property value. If you ever plan to sell your home, buyers will take note of upgraded windows installed by a professional, which suggests better insulation, lower energy costs, and a well-maintained structure. Faster, safer installation process. Window installation isn't just a matter of popping out the old frame and sliding in a new one. It involves handling heavy glass, working at heights, sealing and waterproofing, tasks that can be dangerous for the untrained. A professional crew brings the right tools, safety equipment, and years of experience. They can typically complete the job in a fraction of the time it would take a DIYer, with fewer complications and cleanup issues. Final thoughts. Whether you live in the French Quarter, uptown, or out by Lakeview, your New Orleans home deserves windows that are built and installed to last. Professional window installation may come with a higher upfront cost, but the long-term benefits in energy efficiency, safety, beauty, and durability make it well worth the investment. In a city where the weather can be unpredictable and the charm of your home is priceless, trusting the pros is a decision you won't regret.